In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-step verification on Yahoo. Two-step verification adds a second check at sign-in, like a code sent to your phone. If you're moving to a new number, troubleshooting sign-in issues, or simplifying access on a trusted device, here's how to turn it off safely. For security, do this on a private computer and a secure network. We'll start on a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter to open Yahoo's homepage. Look toward the upper right corner for the sign-in button and click it. Follow the on-screen prompts to log into your account. That usually means entering your username and password, and if two-step verification is already enabled, entering the verification code you receive. Complete those prompts and wait a moment while Yahoo signs you in. Once you're signed in, stay near the top right corner. Click your profile icon, which might show your initial or a small avatar. From the menu that opens, choose Manage Your Account. This takes you to your account settings. On the account page, find and select Security. You'll now see security-related options for your Yahoo account. Locate the section labeled Two-Step Verification and click it to view its details. Yahoo may ask you to confirm your identity again before making changes, so follow any prompt that appears. On the two-step verification screen, look for the toggle switch. If it's currently on, click the toggle to switch it off. A confirmation window will appear warning that turning this feature off makes your account rely only on your password. Review the message, and when you're ready, click Turn Off to confirm. Give it a moment to process, and then confirm that the status now shows two-step verification is off. That's the full process. From here, you can continue using your account as usual without the extra verification step. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Disabling two-step verification lowers your protection against unauthorized access, so make sure your password is strong and unique. Keep your recovery, email, and mobile options up to date so you can regain access if needed. If the layout looks a little different, it may be due to your region. The wording is the same, and the security section is always where these settings live. And if you ever change your mind, you can return to the same two-step verification page and toggle it back on. If you're on a shared or public computer, remember to sign out when you're done, and avoid saving your password in the browser. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough